The Model Systems Knowledge Translation Center presents Employment After Spinal Cord Injury. This slideshow is based on research conducted by the Spinal Cord Injury Model Systems and serves as a resource for individuals with spinal cord injury and their supporters. The Model Systems Knowledge Translation Center is funded by the National Institute on Disability and Rehabilitation Research. This resource summarizes the research on why work is important for individuals with spinal cord injury, laws that protect individuals with spinal cord injury who seek work, what vocational rehabilitation is and how it works, how vocational rehabilitation is funded, how to balance work and benefits, and how to benefit from volunteering. Work is important to people because it enables you to earn income and benefits. It provides opportunities for social interactions, and research shows that those who return to work after a spinal cord injury live longer, more satisfying, and healthier lives than those who do not. Although individuals with a spinal cord injury can and do go on to have active work lives and successful careers, they have more barriers to overcome than those without disabilities. Many individuals with SCI want to return to work. Some with SCI face barriers, including physical limitations, lack of health care, and/or negative employer attitudes that can make finding work difficult. Support, training, and vocational rehabilitation can help overcome these barriers. The Americans with Disabilities Act, or ADA, is federal legislation passed in 1990 and amended in 2008 that protects the rights of individuals with disabilities. Under this act, almost all individuals with SCI qualify for protection under the ADA. ADA prohibits discrimination in employment based on disability, and it also requires employers to provide reasonable accommodations to individuals with a disability. Vocational rehabilitation programs can help individuals with disabilities obtain employment. Through these programs, a wide range of services are available to help people identify their career interests and skills, acquire the relevant education or training, find and apply for jobs, and get work accommodations. Some of the services include education and training, counseling and guidance, aid in applying for jobs, and help with accommodations at work, including assistive technology. Vocational rehabilitation programs are usually paid for by some private health insurance companies, state-funded vocational rehabilitation programs, state workers' compensation programs, and for individuals with military-related disabilities, the U.S. Veterans Administration, or VA, provides free vocational rehabilitation. How does vocational rehabilitation work? The first steps are to talk to your physician or social worker, who will gather the necessary information on your interests, skills, health needs, work and education histories, and personality type. Your counselor will also help you assess the job and wage markets. You may need to complete interviews, questionnaires, and aptitude and academic tests. Your counselor may be able to set up a trial work period with a prospective employer. These trials may be paid or unpaid. The trial lets the employer judge whether you are a good fit for the company and to see what accommodations might be needed, and it also gives you a chance to see whether you like the job and are able to perform its duties. The end goal of vocational rehabilitation is to help you decide on a rewarding and practical career to pursue. There could be, however, some middle steps that you should carefully discuss with your counselor. For example, you may need to reach a certain level of education or physical endurance before you can be hired for a job you want. Your counselor can help you assess, plan, and achieve these intermediate goals. Once you receive job offers, your counselor can help you judge whether a potential job would be a good fit for you. Through job analysis, your counselor can provide insight on actual day-to-day tasks, cognitive, social, and physical demands of the job, and possible accommodations. You may need ongoing support at work after you are hired. Typically, your employer does not pay for this assistance, so you must find funding sources beforehand. Accommodations may include modifying work schedules, shifting tasks, or changing the work environment. Examples include raising the height of a desk to accommodate a wheelchair, providing a private changing area for individuals who have occasional bladder accidents, shifting to a later start time to give an individual time to attend to morning care needs. Sometimes people do not want to start work because they are afraid of losing their benefits from Social Security Disability Insurance, or SSDI, Supplementary Security Income, or SSI, or Long-Term Disability, or LTD insurance. The cost of getting to and from work might also be a concern. There are work incentive programs which let individuals with disabilities receive insurance benefits while still keeping some work income. Sometimes, individuals are unable to find work after SCI. In this case, a person may be eligible to receive disability payments from the Social Security Administration, or SSA. A person injured on the job could also receive benefits as a pension from workers' compensation. A person who worked before injury could also receive benefits from SSDI or LTD. If it is likely that you will not return to work for at least a year, you should immediately apply for SSA benefits. Enrollees are immediately eligible for state Medicaid benefits, and after a waiting period, for federal Medicare benefits. You should also apply for SSDI or LTD if you are eligible. If paid employment is not possible, consider volunteering. Benefits of volunteering include enjoyment and the sense of accomplishment, opportunity to develop new job skills, and professional contacts that could lead to paid employment in the future. To learn more information, contact the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission for information related to employment discrimination. Find a local vocational rehabilitation office. Access the Americans with Disabilities Act. Read about Social Security Administration benefits. Review the Model Systems Fact Sheet on SCI and employment. For additional resources on living with a spinal cord injury, please visit the Model Systems Knowledge Translation Center website at www.msktc.org.